Hi everyone. Welcome to Thursday Live Sessions. Today we just want to give a couple of shout outs to people that have been giving us feedback. Patrick Zuze, Angela Chabato. My brother can give shout outs to a couple of people as well.
There's Andre Luke, Brasil Tetwa. Who else? Makombe Anuk. What? Tawanda. Anyway, Bezo Drama Mapingire. Donald Dodgers Marindire. Terence Motsi. Yeah, just to mention.
Yeah, just a couple. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today my brother said, you know what, Leo, we need to do something together.
Oh yeah.
So we've got a new track that's coming.
Yeah. There's a brand new single. It's titled Ajidi Naro.
Ajidi Naro.
Yeah. It'll be dropping very soon with a video.
Yes. There's a mad video shot by Be Identified. We've got our brother on the track as well.
Yours when you.
Yes, boss. Anzi. Fio Kings.
Tisuma boss.
Boys Repa Fio.
Tisuma Kings.
So before, whilst you're waiting for that new track, we're going to do something that we did a while back.
Yeah, I think it's about 10 years ago.
10 years ago.
That was 2008.
2008.
Yeah, but it's still sounding brand new.
Still sounding fresh.
Yeah.
So we're going to do Two Chatter, I think, from what Safi is playing. I think you've caught on that we're going to do Two Chatter.
Oh, yeah, but unfortunately we don't have a female vocalist, so I'm going to be doing magic.
Magic, abracadabra. All right. Yeah. Sakanatuya undi babadzire bundi zerezere undi taro nondifadza mbibwa ndiyambuke honaka ndide ndifare nditise vamwe ndini ndega ndasara nditise pwero kati satye wakandidakare saka mdiwa wangu huya tichembedzane papo tayizebezerana tiri kuseri lutivirieri nechimbuzi pasi pemuhacha pamba pamanyamutamba chokwaderudo nemandivaidzi vangataure zvavanoda rudo ndinyaudze patakawirirana mudiwa takangati ngori saka famba nene mudiwa tongofamba zvedu tingori kure kwegava ndokusena mutubvu mababy. Sakandaribiwe ndide ndifare nditise vamwe ndini ndega ndasara nditise pwere ndi amire ndega nditase ndinopenga funga kwauri mudiwa wangu kure ndozviziva nokutara undisiye asi vimbanene mudiwa wangu vhare nzeve kuti richingonyura zuva nhasi tenge timire mudiwa wangu tingori saka famba nene mudiwa tongofamba zvedu tingori kure kwegava ndokusena mutubvu mababy.
Tingori tuchete ndichinga ndauya kubva kure baby tuchete kure kwegava ndokusina tanga tingori tuchete chinga wauya kubva kure baby tuchete kure kwegava ndokusina tingori tuchete ndichinga ndauya kubva kure baby tuchete kure kwegava ndokusina mutsuvu baby.
Thank you so much. The acoustic version of Two Chatter So remember to follow Leonard Mapfumo on Facebook, Leonard Arnold Mapfumo, on Instagram, Leonard Arnold Mapfumo, on YouTube, Leonard Arnold Mapfumo, and on Twitter, @Namapfumo. Trevor?
On Facebook, Trevor Dongo. On Twitter, @Trevor_Dongo. On Instagram, Trevor Dongo. On Snapchat, Trevor Dong, without an O.
And today, Taffy was playing for us. Social media platforms?
Taffy Mature, all of them.
Taffy Mature on all social media platforms. Euclid Kalino? Euclid Kalino on all media platforms. So thank you for watching. Catch you next week.